Yeah, guys, then in this video, we have to see about the past paper questions. But in the previous session also, we have covered some questions like 1 to 10 MCQ parts we covered. So in this video session, we have to start with the 11th one of ordinary level examination of 2021-22 exam paper. So specifically in the ICT exam paper, we have covered 10 questions in previous sessions, last two sessions. So we are ready to move with the 11th one. So the 11th one, they are asking about the shortcut keys in the word processing software. Word processing software means we generally know there are some kind of word processing software like Microsoft Word or sometime Open Office Writer, whatever it is. They are asking about the shortcut keys here. So they are asking, what is the shortcut key combination to find and replace words in the Microsoft Word or LibreOffice Writer? So these are the two kind of or two examples for word processing software. We are having four options as an answer here, but every options are having some shortcuts. Control plus A. In general term, we know Control plus A means select all. If you need to select all the components or the parts of the particular Word document, we have to type a shortcut as Control plus A. Then Control plus A means select all. So this won't be the answer for the find and replace. So this one is wrong answer. Then when we are coming with the second answer, Control plus C, it will be answer for the copy. Control plus C means copy. So this won't be answer. Then Control plus H. Control plus H means find and replace. Control plus F means find only. Control plus H means find and replace. Find and replace means we can easily find some words and we can replace those words with the needed one. So this is very easiest one in the word processing software for our usage. So the third one will be the correct answer and the fourth one they are asking about the Control plus X. So Control plus X means cut. So this won't be answer. So the correct answer for the 11th question is third one, Control plus H. Like that, we are having several shortcut keys for the word processing software. If you need more than these kind of shortcuts, then you can visit our Instagram page. In the Instagram page, ICT Foundation. Then in the ICT Foundation Instagram page, I have put so many shortcut keys in the word processing softwares. So if you need, then there's a description. Then within the description, I have added that Instagram link. Then through the link, you can visit that Instagram page. The particular page is having more than one shortcut keys related to this one. Not only the shortcut keys, but also we are having some trending and technique terms and the newses in that page. Okay, you can go through that by using of the link which is mentioned in the description part. So when we are coming under the 12th question of the ordinary level ICT paper of 2021-22, they are asking about the spreadsheet. So generally we know that spreadsheet means Microsoft Excel. Sometime you may know about the Lotus 123. Sometime you may know about the LibreOffice Calc. These are some examples for the spreadsheet software. Apple company also, they are producing their spreadsheet software named Numbers. So in this spreadsheet, we are having some alphabets, PQRS. So our task is we have to find the correct alphabet with the correct term. So PQRS. So in here, P means the name box. So name box will indicate which cell is selected with the selected current cursor. So this one will be identified as name box. So the first and the fourth answers are wrong. Sometimes the answer may be second or the third. So the Q one. So Q is the formula bar. Why we are knowing this one as a formula bar is we can type the formulas here and we can get the answers in the spreadsheet. So that's why we are having a symbol in here as FX. FX means formula. So then we can identify R means columns. Then S means sheet tabs. There are so many sheets. Multiple sheets can be opened in the particular workbook. So every sheets are having individual components. You can make your wish. So S means sheet tabs. So the third one will be the correct answer for the 12th question. So now we can move with the question number 13. In the 13th one, they are asking about some questions according to the spreadsheet they are given in the above part. So in here, the spreadsheet is there. According to the spreadsheet, we have to answer from this question. So first I am moving with the part, 13th one. So this is a part. They're asking what is the correct formula to be entered in the cell E2? E2 is here. So to calculate the total marks obtained by the Shahan. So Shahan's details are here, isn't it? So we have to find the total marks here. So what are the equations can be used? So B2, C2, D2. What about B2, C2, D2? That's the correct answer. But equal sign should be there. So this one also the correct answer, but equal sign is missing here. Without the equal sign, you can't find or you can't get any answers correctly in the Microsoft Excel or any spreadsheet softwares. This won't become. So in here, they are putting E2 is equal to. The E2 is equal to, that is not necessary. You can type just equal. So in this answer, they are typing the equal marks, not equal mark, the arrow mark. The arrow mark is not utilized in the Microsoft Excel or any other spreadsheet softwares. So the suitable answer for the 13th question means first. So this is the answer for the 13th one. Then when we are moving with the 14th one, this one also according to the above part. What will be the value displayed in the cell A7? So they are talking about the A7 cell. A7 means this one. Wait a minute, sorry. This one, A7. The formula equal count A1 to D5. A1 to D5. D5 means this one. So we have to know A1 to D5 means the cell range is this one, right? I am writing or I am drawing a box here. A1 to D5. So count means what? Count formula will calculate the number of cells. Those cells should be containing the number values or the digits. Only the number values it will be count. So we are having 60. So I'm marking as a tick in a blue color. 60, 55, 70, 35, 60, 75, 65, 55, 45, 75. In the first column 3, the second column 2, 5, then 7, then 10. Only we have 10 values within this cell range as a number value. So the 10 will be the answer. Because all other values are the text values. The text values won't be calculated within the count function. Sometimes we can utilize count A, C-O-U-N-T, count A. So count A function will calculate all of the cells that may be containing of number values, that may be containing of digit, that means text value. So sometime if you are having this count A, then you will get the total value. Sometimes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 rows are available here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns are available here. 5 into 4, 20. Then 20 values are here, right? If the question is asked like, what is the answer for count A, A1 to D5, that will be the answer as 20. 4 into 5. But in here, they have asked about the count. So count will calculate the number values only. The number of numbers we are having within the given cell range. So the answer will be 10. So the 15th one, they're asking about some shortcut keys. So 15 and 16. Yeah, we'll move with the 15. Which of the following actions can be used to move the next slide on the slideshow of an electronic presentation? So the now our task is we are in the slideshow part. So we know about the presentation softwares. We are having multiple presentation softwares like Microsoft PowerPoint, Apple Keynote, OpenOffice Impress, LibreOffice Impress. There are kind of presentation softwares may be available. But they are asking about when you are looking or when you are in a slideshow part, you have to move the next slide. So what we can do is clicking the left button of the mouse device. So once you are clicking the left side of the mouse device, that won't be the change. That won't make any changes in the slide. Because just you are clicking the left button of the mouse. That won't affect it. Pressing the control key of the keyboard. Then you have to click the control key of the keyboard. Then pressing the right arrow key of the keyboard. Arrow key will be like this one, right one. Then you can move to the next one. So C statement is always correct because you're already familiar with it. But what about the control part? So we'll check what will be happen when we are clicking the control part. So I'm clearing all of these one. So I'm opening a presentation software. So for a sample one, I'm opening a presentation called, okay, here I am having a presentation part. So modulation is a topic. This is a presentation slide I'm opening here. Okay, this is a presentation. So in this presentation, we are having 4 types of views. So first one called normal view, second one called slide sorter, third one called reading view. Sometime this display you won't find that particular part. So I'm opening as a spotlight. So this red spotlight you can see it. So here's a normal view. This one called slide sorter. This one called reading view. This one called slideshow. So once I am clicking this slideshow, the slides will be displayed in a full screen. So slideshow tool is that's why we are having. Sometime we can click F5 also. The function key F1 is the function key. Like that way we are having F12 until the F12. F1 to F12 function keys are available in the keyboard. Once you are clicking the F5 also, you will get the slideshow. So this is slideshow part. So once I am clicking the right arrow key, the slide will be changed. Once I am clicking the left mouse key, in this time also the left mouse key also working. See, so just I am clicking this window. The mouse click also changing the slide direction. So just you are clicking the mouse part also, you will get the next slide. So this one also correct. When you are clicking the right arrow mark also, the mouse will be changed. That means the slide will be changed. Yeah. When you are clicking the control key, so I'm opening the first slide. When I'm clicking control, that won't change anything. Just control won't change anything. But if you're clicking the mouse, the slides are changing. So if you're clicking the right arrow mark, the slides are changing. But you press the key control, that won't make any changes. So the correct answer for this question will be, so we are in the 15th one, right? Highlighting the question. Which of the following actions can be used to move the next slide of the slideshow? So clicking the left button of the mouse device. So in now, so that answer is correct because practically we did this. So A is the correct answer. Pressing the control key of the keyboard, that won't affect. That won't be the answer. This is wrong answer. Pressing the right arrow key of the keyboard, that will work. So C is correct answer. So the 15th one, we can say that A and C are the correct answers for the 15th one of 2021-22 ordinary level ICT pass paper.